Second cat, or third cat of the day, sorry. Little one, I can tell. He's nice. I got a cat on! Well, actually, he's not bad. He's not fighting real well. There's a bluegill I just caught right there. I'm gonna unhook him. I'm trying to get this guy in so he doesn't die. There he goes right there. I'm just gonna use him for bait. I got one, so. Oh yeah, he's a nice one actually. I thought he was a lot smaller. Actually, this might be big. Nah, I don't think he is. He's not big enough. Yeah, actually he might be big enough. This is like the biggest one I think I got of the day. But he doesn't want to. Yeah. Yeah, he wants to let go. I hope he doesn't break it because he's ripping and tearing. As soon as I get him in here, he's going to make a run for it. As soon as you get him right in here, he makes a freaking run for it. And he's freaking loosening my reel up. Straight out in front of me, right there. Oh yeah, I think I got him this time in. I don't know. Yep, I got him. Yes. Nope, not as big as I thought. Not big yet, at least. Not big yet. Oh, jeez. Holy crap, calm down. I'm not gonna hurt you. It's right there. Come on, just come on. What do you mean? He's pretty fat, though. He is a nice fat one. There he is. Pull him up, put him beside the rod. That's a nice fish, though. It's the biggest one I caught so far. Back up, get him in.